naman akong macaroni salad, fruit salad. Kung isa siya kalami. No, this is my macaroni. Everyone, dahil darating si Sarina today, and then also marinate ako ng chicken dahil para mayroon kaming pipirituhin mamaya. But I make macaroni fruit salad today. So this is my macaroni fruit salad. Actually, hindi pa siya tapos, nilagyan ko pa siya ng fruits. So this is my tea and this is my macaroni salad. Let's try my fruit macaroni salad. Tikman natin. Hindi pa siya. Mura siyang ako. Tama lang yung timpla. Hindi makaumay. Try nyo everyone. Perfect everyone. Pang snacks. Pang breakfast. So delicious. That's why diet is not in my vocabulary. Because I love foods, I love cooking. Don't believe me if I said I'm going to diet. But because I don't want to stress myself. Because I love foods. And this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing my very own creations by Miss Red and Co. Ang sarap. Wait. The taste is very delicious. It's just like me. Kain muna tayo. Let's eat Miss Red macaroni fruit salad. Ang sarap. Macaroni fruit cocktail. Orange inakan. Cheese. Fresh milk. Raisins. Cheese. Nabalik ko yung cheese.